I'm a second-year student here at Rockland Bosse's CTEC. I'm in the plumbing and refrigerant program. I've always liked to work with my hands. I've never really been a classroom person. Once I found out about what Rockland Bosse's was, I started, haven't looked back since. You're still in the classroom, but also going into the shop. You're still working a set amount, and they're not lenient in the shop. They're making sure everything is precise, just like it would be on the job site. I think the demand for trades are going to keep rising and rising. People might not want to do them, but there's always going to be a demand for the jobs. I like the aspect of plumbing, how every job is going to be different. After Rockland Bosse's, I hope to go to a trade college and continue with plumbing. After coming to Bosse's, I realized how important it would be to get a further education than here and how much it would help with my future.